Following the success of Clean Air Together in Dublin and Cork City, the project moved to Galway City next. From October to November 2023, over 300 people in Galway City measured nitrogen dioxide levels in their area as part of our citizen science project called Clean Air Together. Nitrogen dioxide, or NO2, is an air pollutant that mainly comes from traffic. NO2 has negative impacts on everyone's health, and it is worse for children and people with pre-existing conditions like asthma. And some people are more exposed to higher levels of NO2 just because of where they live or work. Many residents of Galway City heard about the Clean Air Together project. They applied to find out what NO2 levels were like near them. Once selected, participants installed a measurement tube outside their property for 4 weeks. Clean Air Together gives us a snapshot of what NO2 pollution was like in Galway City from October to November 2023. The highest NO2 levels were found along busy roads such as Merchants Road, Mary Street, Eyre Square, Eglinton Street and Briar Hill. In a linked study run by Galway City Council in partnership with the EPA, one high result was found on Dock Road, which is being examined in more detail through a further study. By contrast, areas away from traffic, particularly the outer suburbs, registered much lower levels of NO2. And as for the data, as well as providing a useful snapshot of NO2 levels in Galway City, the data is being used to validate the EPA's air quality forecast modelling. So just like getting weather forecasts, one can get air pollution forecasts across Ireland. Most of the participants were interested to see lower NO2 levels outside their properties. Participants learned that their driving routine was affecting people living along busy roads. So they, like us, now have an opportunity to make some changes. Think twice before taking the car, shop more locally, walk, cycle or take public transport whenever you can. These are small steps, but together our actions have a big impact. The good news is that sustainable mobility is becoming easier. More walking and cycling facilities are being developed across Galway City, with significant public transport developments also progressing along key routes such as Dublin Road and the Cross City Link. And so much more is being planned by local and national government to reduce air pollutants. By supporting and adopting these changes, the goal is to reduce air pollutants such as NO2 over time in all areas of Galway City. The lower the level of NO2, the better it is for everyone's health. To see what the NO2 levels were across Galway City as measured as part of Clean Air Together, visit cleanairtogether.ie. Thank you to everyone who participated in Clean Air Together. It couldn't have been done without you. And where does Clean Air Together go to next? See you in Limerick City later this year.